Are you tired of false promises about making money online? You've seen the ads, the gurus, the quick fixes. Just follow this method and you'll make thousands overnight. You've probably tried a few already. Dropshipping, affiliate marketing, Amazon FBA. And yet, it didn't work. Now you're stuck in a loop, watching motivational YouTube videos that promise easy money but deliver nothing real. It's frustrating. I know. I've been there. But in this video, I'm going to give you the truth. The real way to start making money online without wasting time or cash-chasing hype. Stay with me until the end. I've even prepared something valuable for you. And no, I'm not selling anything. Like you, I started with big hopes and zero results. I listed services on Fiverr, crickets. I tried trading, lost my money, and I kept asking myself, why does this work for others, but not for me? Eventually, I learned something that changed everything. The problem wasn't the method. The problem was believing it would work instantly. The truth? Almost every online business model can work if you understand its learning curve, its time requirements, and most importantly, what fits you. Here's what most make money online videos don't say. Every method takes time. Most take money. All require effort and patience. So instead of jumping from trend to trend, I took a step back and analyzed every major online income path. And I found 2 online businesses that actually give real results with a reasonable investment, no crazy startup costs or magic apps. We'll get to those in a second. But first, beware the online jungle. Everywhere you look, someone is selling a course. Some promise you'll make thousands with some unknown app. Others guarantee you'll earn money in your sleep. If you hear words like automatic, passive, guaranteed, risk-free, easy, treat it as a red flag. Not all courses are scams, some offer solid value. But here's the truth. Almost everything they teach can be found for free on YouTube or Google. What you pay for is structure, community, and convenience, not secret strategies. Let's start with the second best business on the list. Kindle Direct Publishing. Here's how it works. You create a book, can be a journal, coloring book, diary, funny book, whatever fits your style, and publish it on Amazon. To market it, you have 2 options. Run ads, Amazon, Facebook, Instagram, or use a free strategy, TikTok. Yes, TikTok. Here's the blueprint. Create short videos showing your book. Post consistently, 2-3 videos a day. Try different formats until something goes viral. Once it does, replicate it. Why it works? Books like journals and coloring books have high viral potential. They're simple, visual, and easy to showcase. Let's do the math. Price your book at $16. One TikTok video gets 100,000 views. Even if just 1% of people buy 1,000 customers, that's around $7,000 in profit. And the investment? Just your time and creativity. Steps to get started. Set up your KDP account. Create and publish your book. Launch a TikTok profile. Post 2-3 videos daily. Double down on what goes viral. Now, let's talk about what I believe is the most powerful online business model today. YouTube. There are creators with only a few well-researched videos making serious income because they chose the right niche and delivered consistent value. To understand how YouTube pays, you need to know 2 terms. What advertisers pay per 1,000 monetized views. RPM. What you actually earn per 1,000 total views. Once you're eligible for monetization, you earn from ads on your videos. But that's just the beginning. You can also earn through sponsorships, affiliate links, merch, memberships, and more. Pick a niche you enjoy that's also profitable. Research what your audience wants. Produce videos, script, voiceover, edit, title, thumbnail. Publish and monitor key metrics. CTR, click-through rate, audience retention. The higher these numbers, the more YouTube pushes your content. The key: create videos people want to click on and watch to the end. Which business is right for you? Both Kindle publishing and YouTube work, but only if you commit to them with realistic expectations. If you're just looking for a side income, you can handle everything yourself. If you're aiming to scale big, you'll eventually need to delegate editing, scripting, voiceovers, marketing, and that's okay. Success is not linear. You'll face challenges. But every time you overcome one, you grow your skills, your mindset, your strategy. Soon, the things that once felt overwhelming will become routine. Drop a comment sharing your own experience with making money online. And let's help each other grow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.